This video, I'm learning lockpicking. Why would you learn lockpicking in the first place? That's the question too, right? That's the way I think I should live. The event is happening in such a small alleyway.
I got one kid.
Oh, nice. That's good.
That little flag.
Yeah.
One pin in the lock.
Starting a new role, not giving up on my gym, and learning how to do lockpicking now. That's me. My food is cooked. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, I'm back. So today is Friday, and Friday is generally, I need some lighting, right? So Fridays are generally start of my weekends. Of course, it's start of everybody's weekend, dumb fuck, but I'm just gonna start it with a movie. You're going to go see Primate. It's a movie where there are a lot of jump scares and a lot of shit, so wish me luck. One of my friends recommended it. This thing has to come out. Okay, we are late for the movie already. We need to rush a little bit. कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं, गोल गोल अंडे जैसे. Look for him. That was the movie, right?
Huh?
What's your take? This was the guy who recommended this movie shit to me. What do you think?
Lots of gore and don't keep animals at home that you can't overpower.
Yeah, don't keep chimpanzees at home. I'm not keeping a chimpanzee ever. I'm not petting a chimpanzee after this at all. Stay away from the zoo, okay? We have MJ here as well. तुझे कैसे लगी?
Not that scary.
Not that scary? That's the place. We are here for some smash burgers. Let's see if they have any. We are eating at Firefly Burgers. Our plan is to just take the burger and just go outside and just have it. घर में bed के it's just like too tired for us to just sit in house and just spend our day. I think up here after working indoors you realize that it's really important for us to go out and do things. Look at that. Right now we are in TMU. There is ice skating happening here. They are now playing ice hockey around, seeing people doing skating. I'm just gonna have my smash burger around somewhere and just enjoy the vibe. क्या लिखा है?
क्या लिखा है?
That's Satan but Middle Eastern.
Bro. MJ, what is the idea again?
We made a list. 12 महीने 12 क्यूजीन और हर महीना एक क्यूजीन हम बनाएंगे और जो भी क्यूजीन बनाएंगे हम वो उसकी मूवी भी देखेंगे.
Okay.
तो मैं उनको टास्क दी हूँ कि भाई ढूंढ. Look at this dish. Okay, it looks yummy.
It looks
wholesome.
good, eh?
Dude, that is Google यार. हर बीमारी को भी कैंसर बनाता है. वो हर डिश को भी इतना ग्लोरीफाई कर दिया. घर पे तो बनाना मुश्किल होगा ऐसे.
इतने सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स तो जा रहे हैं उसमें. देखो कितना टेस्ट बनेगा.
कितने इंग्रेडिएंट्स आ रहे हैं? रेसिपी देखिए.
नहीं.
कॉन्फिडेंस पूरा है. कॉन्फिडेंस पूरा है.
We are out. We are back on the streets of Toronto. What do we have around here? We got a fucking strip club. That's what we have around. We got a fucking Zanzibar here all the way. Let's move on. But हम जा रहे हैं घर.
No, this is so convenient. You get high and then you watch strippers.
Yeah. I need to come here someday. It's called Dal Dogan. Sorry, what? Okay. Okay. It's called Korean barbecue. Huh? Dal dhokli, yeah? Why dal dhokli? That's what she meant. Correct me if I'm wrong.
I think it's a dal donye.
Something like that. You know what this place is, Abid? This place is a game shop. Underground, there is a place where people come and play card games. And these are competitive card games. Trade card, Pokemon cards, beyond that. मैं कितना cool art बनाया है, देखना उन्होंने. पूरी wall पे games के characters बना के रखे हैं. Sports cards, board games and trading cards. Soy burgers. We're going to Soy Burgers. Dude, this installation is so beautiful. Looks so cinematic in nature. Where are we, by the way?
Soy boys. Okay, everything is plant based.
Everything is plant-based. But shit, this is so cool. Spooky. Lol. And there's Northern Brooklyn right there. Got a pizza from here, a soy burger from here. Pizza. Back home, this is a beautiful house. I just realized the best way of using air fryer is to first take the paper, put it on the base, then put your food up there, and then use this as something you put on the top, and that's it.
You're wrong.
No, this is not wrong. This is what Abid told
No.
me. This is what he told me, right?
He said put the air fryer paper in, then put the food inside, and then put the grill on the top.
No, I said make this like this, and let's put food on top. And then we're gonna put some chicken. Let's bring it. 3 flavors of chicken. So we're gonna put 3 of them and then have it with our delicious pizza. Bro, what are we trying?
To be honest, I don't know. I think it's called a push-up to handstand.
Okay,
That's
we're cooking some chicken and doing this shit. Let's see. MJ, he's like, bro. No, that's a good one, bro. That even takes a lot of energy and balance. And respect. And that was all for the vlog, my lads. I know the ending is not perfect, neither is life. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care of yourself. If you like this video, share it, give it a like, and have a nice day.